Hello guys, so if you're looking to use Midjourney for architectural designing, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now without wasting more time, let's begin. So firstly what you'll need is Discord application, and in Discord you will need a server, and in Midjourney you will be needing the Midjourney subscription. So you can take the base plan of $10 per month to use Midjourney. Now after you have all of that, just simply come to the chat section over here, then click on it, then enter backslash. Then imagine. Okay, now after that, just simply enter whatever you are looking create as an artist. So for example, building made out of floating fabric in the middle of the desert at sunset. So after you wrote the prompt, just simply hit enter and wait for it to come up with the design. So as you can see, this is the result that Midjourney came up with. Now as you can see, the variant 1 is the most accurate to my prompt. So all you have to do is just simply upscale the variant to 1. So sorry, it's actually the variant 2. So just simply upscale the variant 2. And now you can just simply click on it and click on it and save the image. Now if you want to change something in the prompt, you can just simply click on the redo if you have the remix mode on in the settings, which you can go by clicking backslash settings, hit enter, then just simply enable the remix mode. Now after you have enabled that, just simply hit refresh or reload, and then you can add more details. So this is the prompt right now. Now what I'm going to add is people watching from outside. So just like an exhibit, people are watching from outside. Now just simply hit submit and wait for it to regenerate. So as you can see, this is the image Midjourney came up with after doing the remix. Now if you want inspiration and want to see more styles that you don't know of, you can just simply go to a website called Mid Library, and over here you will find multiple designs and ideas for your architecture models. So over here just simply go to category, or just simply click architecture over here. So we are going to go to category, then scroll down and you will find architects. Click on it. Now over here you will find various architecture types which were created by actual architect, or the designs that you are seeing are what the architect would have done. So the concept of the architect basically. Let's say for example this one. Click on it. So this is what the prompt is. Now whatever architectural building you want, just simply add this in the end. Let's see. Now let's say for the prompt is a shopping complex. So after adding that, just simply add this in the end. A name of an architect and the version of the Midjourney that you would like to use. Then just simply hit enter and wait for it to generate. So this is what Midjourney came up with, and in my opinion they are both very awesome, as you can see right over here. So just like that, you can add an artist's name in the end and it will create your art or your architecture model based upon the previous history of the artist and the art style that artist liked. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.